I'm finished filling in all the fields to publish this book on KDP. So I'm going to go ahead and say publish your Kindle ebook. And as you can see, it's going to take 72 hours for this to be reviewed and for me to get approval for the book. And now it says that it's done. Now, once you get it published, notice that it comes up and it says, hey, you ought to consider publishing in paperback. And I'd like you to do that. So just click on Start Paperback Now. And you'll notice that a lot of your information is already filled in for you. It takes the information from your ebook publication. So we have the language and the title and all of this filled in. The author is fine. Contributors we don't want. The book description we haven't quite written yet, or the keywords. So all of this is taken from the ebook. And have you previously published this book on CreateSpace? No. And then we go save and continue. And we just go through the process of filling in the fields for the paperback. Assign a KDP free KDP ISBN. There we go. Now we've got a free ISBN. Now this ISBN is only good for the paperback and not for the ebook. Publication date, we'll say, let's make it today. And then you pick the various things for it. Do you want it colored? Do you want it black and white? Do you want it on shiny or cream paper? Yeah, the dimensions, we've set up our dimensions as 6.9 before with no bleed and matte. Upload the paperbook manuscript. So here we're going to upload the paperbook manuscript, and you can either launch the ebook creator or you can load a paperback book cover. Now after you get done with that, then you can do the previewer, and we're going to see if it'll let us move on to the next page. It won't. And that's where you would set your price and so on. So just go through and do the same thing effectively for the paperback. Upload your manuscript, upload your book cover, and you'll also have your book printed in paperback. Now, one little thing I want to show you before leaving is when it comes to the cover creator. Now, you would think that you would just upload your own cover, and you can, but it's got to be a PDF, and you've got to have the spine and the back cover all done for you. How thick do you make the spine? All of that you need to figure out for yourself, which is a pain. I don't like doing that. So what I do instead is I launch the cover creator. Now it gives you an option to actually use your book cover for the cover, and then it creates the spine and everything for you. So here it's kind of showing you the process. We're going to choose a style, and then we're going to edit and preview it down. And then we can choose images from the gallery. What we want to do is choose an image from our computer. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to choose, let's choose this image. It has nothing to do with the book cover we're doing, but it is yeah, that's a fine book cover. It's a little wider than usual. So we'll go ahead and double click and say use that image. And it uploads the image for us. And then it starts showing us in a variety of styles. Now you can see these are all full book cover styles here, but this one isn't. It says just use the front cover image, and then it supplies the spine and the back material for me. So I say go ahead and choose that, and I can click on this, and then I can type in my back material. So whatever it is I want to say here, I can say stuff up here about the author's biography. I can upload an image of the author and all of that. And all of this is created for me. The back, the spine, and my book cover shows up on the front. So this is the way that I suggest you create your book cover, by actually using the book cover creator and uploading your own front cover.